Lesson 15 is a little bit different. Here they're actually giving you the equation. Now this is the last lesson of this chapter also. So they're doing it a little bit backwards. So think back of all the different types of problem solving questions we've done. And what did your equations look like? So they want to actually write back the actual example of what your question would look like. So here, I can think of all kinds of things, right? This looks like money. Maybe I'm paying for something. This would be 4 times something. Now always think, what is your X actually going to be in a question? So notice on your paper, I think it is faded on yours. This is an example of what I would have. Here you would have a situation where somebody is buying 4 stamps right there. So if I erase this mess a little bit here. So somebody's buying 4 stamps to mail her letters. She's using a $5 bill to pay the bill. The clerk, the cashier, gives a $2.40 back in change. What is the price of each stamp? So when you solve this, you really have to make sure that you know what your X is. In this case, could be stamps. Another question could be like this. If I have something plus something else gives you a certain amount. So for example, the example that they're using here on your paper is that Nina buys a roll of film for, now this, you might not even know what this is, but before digital cameras and our cell phones, we actually put film in an old-fashioned camera. We had to purchase that and get our pictures developed, not like our cell phones, for $4. So she buys a roll of film for $4. Here's your roll here. And she also has to get her pictures developed. This we can still do, right? We can send orders to Walmart or Jean Coutu and they print out nicely glossy papers for us. So it is 60 cents per picture here to get printed. And this would be her total final bill before taxes. How many pictures did she have developed? So if that was her total bill, if I solve this question step by step by step, you would get P is equal to something. Now in this case, it's not important to solve the question, but really important to know how to word your question. So we are going to practice a couple of these in class to really get to know how to word the questions. And always think back of what kind of questions have you been answering for the past couple of months when you're talking about algebra and equations.